Good evening, mom.
Yeah, good evening to Gagan Sai. Yeah, today is the 7th class mathematics. Chapter number is the 15th, symmetry. Today we learn the new topic in our 15.2, rotational symmetry. In Telangana State Book, page number is the 284. Today we learn the rotational symmetry. Are you understood Gagan Sai previous class?
Yes.
Yeah, study our expert book or part 2. If it's a rotational same topic, it's over in our previous class.
Yes.
So, but yeah, today we learn in our Telangana State book rotational symmetry. Okay, na? Yeah, first one is a rotational symmetry. What's one is that? This is that activity one, throw activity. Today we learn in this one only. Yeah, Gagan Sai. Yeah, first one is this is the one figure only. Okay, na? The diagram on and tracing paper only to fold the diagram. To fold this diagram and fold it only. Two parts are coincide with each others. Is the diagram symmetry? No. Yeah, this is or not coincide with each others only. Yeah, ulta palta. So that's why I can this diagram is not a symmetry only. Are you okay?
Yes.
But yeah, two parts are not coincide with each others only. But yeah, this is the up and this is the down. So that's why I can do both are not coincide with each other. So that's why this diagram is not a symmetry only. So now let us try to match the different positions of diagrams only in another way. Another way let us try only. So the another way means is that if you take the draw the above diagram, same diagram you can above the and draw on piece of paper only. This only. Okay na? Same diagram, draw on another piece of paper and mark a point O at the center and name the four edges of the paper A, B, C, D only. Okay na? As shown in the figure 1 only. So that's why this is the initial figure only. If it's, this figure is rotated by 90 degrees, this one only. Then again is rotated by the 180 degrees. Okay na? Yeah, the same figure. Is it what do you notice Gagan Sai in your figure 2? Yeah, this is the figure 1 only. Initial figure. If it's rotated by this figure is rotated by the 180 degrees. Yeah, what do you notice in your figure 2? Does the diagrams look different from the previous one? Is it both you can observing here figure 1 and figure 2 you can observe here it is. But yeah, both are if it's totally can change only. Why because here it is the rotational symmetry only. Why here it is that ABCD have changed position only. Ulta falta hai. Okay na? Diagram is also unchanged only. So that's why because this is the diagram is the rotational symmetry only. Okay na? Rotate it only. So that's why is the 90 degrees and 180 degrees. So rotate it only. So that's why unchanged only. Unchanged of this diagram. That is the rotational symmetry only. Yeah, next one is the activity. What's the definition of that exactly definition in that rotational symmetry is the if you rotate a figure about a fixed point by a certain angle and the figure looks exactly the same as before, we can say the figure as the rotational symmetry. Okay now if you rotate a figure about a fixed point, this like about a fixed point is certain angle at 180 degrees. This figure is rotated by the 180 degrees and looks exactly the same only. So that's why we can say that the figure is called as the rotational symmetry. Okay, now this also if it's this figure is rotated by 90 degrees, then again is rotated by the 180 degrees. And this figure is rotated by the certain angle at 180 degrees. Then the figure looks exactly the same. We can say that the figure is called as the rotational symmetry. Are you understood? I can say yes. First of all, definitions you can write down the definition. What's the rotational symmetry? Definition only. Yeah, definition. If we rotate rotate a figure. Rotate a figure about a fixed point. About a fixed point. Fixed point by a certain angle. By a certain angle. And the figure looks exactly the same. Looks exactly the same as before. Okay. Then we can say that we say that the figure is. So we say that the figure as rotational symmetry. Are you okay, Gagan Sai? And a certain angle. If the figure is certain angle, rotated by the certain angle, that is the rotational symmetry. Okay, this figure is the rotational is the 180 degrees. Same looks exactly the same. Is it correct? 90 degrees, then again 180 degrees. If it looks is a very correctly only. Yeah, this is your definition. It's over. And next one is the 15.2.1 angle of rotational symmetry. Angle of rotational symmetry. Another one is the angle of rotational symmetry. Angle of rotational symmetry. Yeah, first one, you know that the square has the 4 lines of symmetry. 4 lines of symmetry. Square. Do you know the square, Gagan Sai? If it's already finishing there, this is the square only. Yeah, square is that 4 lines only. 1 horizontal, vertical and diagonals 2 only. So the total is the 4 lines of symmetries only. So that's why let us see if the figure has rotational symmetry. If it's for examples of this is the initial figure 1. This is the initial figure 1. If your point P here it is only. Okay, na? P has one of its corner with the 2 axes of symmetry. 2 axes of symmetry, its corner point P only. If the initial figure is rotated by the throw, every time it's rotated by the 90 degrees only. First of all, initially this is the initial figure. If we are rotated by the 90 degree. Okay, 90 degrees only. What's on it? We will get the figure 2 only. This is the in textbook here. See better neatly. Yeah. Okay, na? This is the initial figure 1 only. If it's rotated by the figure 2 only. Okay, na? Quarter turn. And we will lead to this like only figure 2 only. And then again is turn to every time rotated by the 90 degrees only. So that's why we will get this the third figure only. We will get this the third figure only. And then again when we complete the 4 quarter turn, when we complete the 4 quarter turn, the square is reaches the original position only. Looks exactly the original figure and figure 5 only. Are you understood, Gagan Sai? 1, 2, 3. Initial figure 1, 2, 3, 4. Then again is when you complete the 4 quarter turn and one turn only. One turn completed. If it's the square is reaches the original position only. Are you understood in your figure 5? Original position only. And if it's the first one is the 90 degrees only. First figure is the 90 degrees and 180 degrees, 270 degrees, and here it is the 360 degrees. We will get this the final figure 5 only. And this figure and this figure, both figures are the same only. And if it's in this figure in full rotation, there are the 4 positions only where the shapes looks exactly the same. Okay, na? 1, 2, 3, 4. We will this like figure 1 and figure 5 both are that equal only. Are you understood, Gagan Sai, neatly? Okay, na? 4 position only. The minimum of this angle of rotation of symmetry, minimum angle is the 90 degrees only. But you are in that square, angle of rotation of symmetry, what's the 90 degrees of symmetry only. What's the definition is the minimum angle of rotation of a figure to get exactly the same figure as original is called the angle of rotational symmetry. Angle of rotation only. Are you understood, Gagan? So neatly, if you rotated the 4 times only about its center, if you rotated by the every time 90 degrees, if you rotated by the 4 times, we will get that the same original. We will get the same original figure only. So that's why I can say angle of rotation of the square is the 90 degrees only. So that's why I can write down this point. What's the definition of the angle of rotation? What's the definition? Write it only. Angle of the minimum angle. The minimum angle means is the 90 degrees of the minimum angle. The minimum angle of a figure. The minimum angle of a figure to get exactly the same. You already finishing there in that the same topic. If it's finishing there in our expert book in previous class, okay na? So that's why I can don't repeat only. So that's why I can only our Telangana state books today we will learn it only. Same figure as original. Original is called the angle of rotation. Angle of rotational symmetry. Angle of rotational symmetry. Are you okay, Gagan Sai? Or angle of rotation. Angle of rotational symmetry or angle of rotation. Okay, Gagan Sai, it is the minimum angle of figure to get the exactly same figure only. And if you say this is this figure, minimum angle is the 90 degrees. If 4 times only, if it's rotated by the 4 times, we will get that the same position only. So that's why that is the angle of rotation definition. Are you understood, Gagan Sai, neatly? Activity through activities. This is over, and next goes to that another topic is the order of rotational symmetry. 15.2.2. Yeah, 15.2.2. Order of rotational symmetry. Order of rotational symmetry. Are you okay, Gagan Sai?
Yes.
Yeah, order of rotational symmetry. The angle of in this above activity or previous activity, or if it's a square, what's the angle of rotational symmetry is the 90 degrees only. Minimum angle is the 90 degrees. So that's why you can is the if it's rotated by, if a square is rotated by that 90 degrees above its center through 4 times only. How many times? 4 times. If it's rotated, we will get that the same and same as exactly position. Okay na? Same position as the original one only. So that's why I can is the what's that square is the square. The angle of rotation. Square, the angle of rotation. The angle of rotation of a symmetry. The angle of rotation of a symmetry equal to what's on the 90 degrees. The order of rotational symmetry. The order of rotational symmetry equal to 4 times only. So that's why the order is the 4 only. In the previous class is also it's over of this same only. Okay na? If it's rotated every time is rotated by the 90 degrees about its center only. So that's why 4 times we will complete it, and then we will get that the same only. We will reach the same original position only. Are you understood, Gagan Sai? So that's why it's a square. The angle of rotation of the symmetry is 90 degrees. The order of the rotational symmetry is 4 only. Another example is the equilateral triangle. Equilateral equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle అంటే the angle of the the angle of the rotational symmetry in equilateral triangle is the 120 degrees. In your previous class it's over in our 120 degrees. Okay na? If it's a rotated అంటే equilateral triangle అంటే this figure is rotated by the 120 degrees about its center for 3 times only. How many times? 3 times. If it's 1 2 3 only, so that's why we will get that the same position. 3 times we will get it the same position only, and initial position both are that initial position only. So that's why you can the what's the equilateral triangle, the angle of the rotation. Okay, are you understood Gagan Sai? Ante 3 times only, so that's why you can the angle of rotation of symmetry, angle of rotation of symmetry, or angle of rotation. No, both are the equal only, so that's why this is the angle of rotation of equilateral triangle in 120 degrees. The order of, therefore the order of rotational symmetry. Are you understood Gagan Sai? Rotational symmetry, order of rotational symmetry, are you understood? 3 only, are you okay?
Yes.
Yeah, there are 2, it's over only. Square and 2 shapes it's over. Square shape and equilateral triangle shapes only. 2 examples it's over of this one only in this topic. And next is the what's the definition of this order of rotational symmetry? What's the order of rotational symmetry? Definition. What's the definition? The number of times a figure rotated through its angle of rotational symmetry before it comes original positions is called as the order of rotational symmetry. Ante the number of times a figure rotated through its angle of rotation, rotational symmetry. Before it comes to original position. Is called order of rotational symmetry. Okay Gagan Sai, are you understood? Ante what's the number of times figure rotated through its angle. Ante if it's this figure only, this figure is rotated by the 4 times only, so that's why the angle is 90 degrees. Every time is the 90 degrees only. It's angle rotational symmetry before it's come. If it's 4 times, if it's we will get this the same original position. So are you understood Gagan Sai? That is the definition only, order of the rotational symmetry. And pin code is also it's over of this examples is also it's over. Okay na? Your previous class that is also your expert book definitions is also there. The number of times of a figure looks exactly the same in complete rotation of 360 degrees is called as the order of rotation. That definitions and this definitions both are there. If it's anyone you can practice only. Order of rotation. Are you understood Gagan Sai? Yeah, next one is the what's one is the try this only. Try this of one example. So if equilateral triangle, this one is the equilateral triangle. Let us try this Gagan Sai, or this one is the every time equilateral triangle is the angle of rotation is the 120 degrees. So that's why icon is the this is the figure 1, and then again is the next is that or here it is, or the point r అనేది if it's a observing how to or move it అనేది, if it's a first initial position here it is, and next one is rotated by that 120 degrees, here that only r position you can change it only. Okay na? Then again this one only, this is the 120 degrees only. Here it is the position only. So that's why we will get after 3 times if it's over, and then we get this like only the original position only. degrees. Okay na? Are you okay Gagan sai? Ante if it's this is the initial position and this one only, ante if it's this one on one time and this is the second time, and ante if it's rotated this like only, if it's rotated by this one and next again, and then we will get this like only. Okay na? Finally ante this one only ante na, ante this figure equilateral figure is rotated by the 120 degrees. Every time is a 120 degrees, first position and second position and third position. We will after 3 times about its center rotated by about its center through 120 degrees, we will get this same original same position as the original one only. Okay na? This and this is the same original only. So that's why this is one is the second figure and this is the third, this is the fourth one. Are you understood Gagan sai? Yeah, what's the questions there? Here it is first question. And can you now tell the order of rotational symmetry for an equilateral triangle? Can you tell the order of rotational symmetry? Yeah, answer is the what's one is the first one? Answer. What's the first one is the 120 degrees. 120 degrees for 3 times. How many times? And 3 times only. So the order of, here it is the some questions also there Gagan sai in your textbooks only. So that's why once I asking some questions Gagan sai. Can you now tell the order of rotational symmetry for an equilateral triangle? Now the order of rotational equilateral triangle is 120 degrees. Angle of rotation every time is a rotation with the 120 degrees for 3 times only. How many times? 3 times. That is the first answer only. Okay na? Write it answer. The order of rotational symmetry for an equilateral triangle equal to 120 degrees 3 times only. How many times? 3 times. Yeah, next one is the second bit only. How many lines of symmetry are there in each figure? How many lines of symmetry there? Here it is the 1 and 2. How many lines there? 1, 2, 3 only. So that's why 3 is here it is the answer is the 3 only. How many lines of symmetry are there in your each figure? Each figure is the 3 lines of symmetry only. And next one is the third one. What is the angle between the every adjacent axis? What's the adjacent axis means is that this like and this like only. What's the angle between? What's the angle is the 120 degrees is the answer. Are you understood Gagan sai? Adjacent angles is the 120 degrees. This is the all are the three answers is over, and second answer is the what's one is the 3 only, and our third answer is the 120 degrees. Are you okay Gagan sai neatly? Yeah, second one is that 3 only. Second one is the 3 and third one is the 120 degrees. Are you understood? Yeah, one is the one note there only. What is the note is the that all the figures have the rotational symmetry of order 1 as can be rotated completely through 360 degrees to come back its original position. So we can say that an object has rotational symmetry only when the order of symmetry is more than 1. It's a very important Gagan sai. You can this also you remembering gagansa ante what are all the figures of rotational symmetry of order 1 only. Ante then you are rotated completely through 360 degrees, then order is only 1 only. What's when come back to its original position. So we can say the object as a rotational symmetry when the order of the symmetry is more than 1. What's the when the order of the symmetry is more than 1, I think that is then the object is called as the rotational symmetry only. Okay now, if it's 360 degrees it's completed, then the symmetry, rotational symmetry of order is only 1 only. Yeah, this is it's over. And next one is, are you understood neatly? Yeah, next goes to the exercise 3 only. Yeah, today we learned that all problems and solutions only. Your first problem solutions I explaining in your notebook only. This is your notebook only. Gagansai explaining in your notebook. Yeah, first of all I read in your textbook only. Yeah, first one. Which of the following figures has rotational symmetry of order more than 1? More than 1. Yeah, words are here. It is that our first to our fifth figures there only. First or first bit only. So that's why icon is the which of the rotational symmetry order more than 1. Which figures are have rotational symmetry అనేది you can find out it only. First one, first figure in this first one only. So that's why icon is the horizontal and here is the circle shape only. So the horizontal line of symmetry and vertical line of symmetry, and every time icon is the 90 degrees. So if it's rotated by the 90 degrees only. So every time it's rotated by the 90 degrees about its center for 4 times only. We will get the same, exactly the same position. So that's why what's on is the this figure is the how a rotational symmetry order more than 4 times. So more than 1 only. So that's why this is the which figure, and this figure is also selected only. And next one is the second one only. Second one is the equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means is that 120 degrees and 4 times. This is the 120 degrees and again. So that if it's this figure is rotated by the 120 degrees, 120 degrees where the shape looks exactly the same only. 3 positions are there. So that's why order is the rotational symmetry of order more than 1 only. More than 1 and this is also selected only. Then again your third figure. Third figure is not a rotational symmetry order more than 1. Why? Because here it is that if it's this figure is rotated by 360 degrees completely. If it's rotated by 360 degrees, we will get the same as original position. So that's why icon is that this is not a rotational symmetry order more than 1. Okay, now more than 1. I have only 1 only. So that's why icon, but these are not leave it only. And next one is the fourth figure. Fourth figure is the this one only. And this is that order. Order is that 2 times only. If it's a H, and then again is if it's a this figure is rotated by the 180 degrees. And if it's a 90 degrees, this like only. 180 degrees, if it's a we will get that the same position. And in this figure, in full rotation, there are 2 positions where the shape looks exactly the same. Okay now. So that is what's one is the have a rotational symmetry of order more than 1 only. So that's why this is the selected. And next one is the fifth figure. Fifth figure is also if it's a this like is the circle shape and this is rotated by that 120 degrees. Every time is rotated by the 120 degrees for about its center for 3 times only. So that's why we will get that the original position has a original position on matter. So that's why we will get that the original position. So that's why the order is more than 1 only. So that's why this is also selected only and 3 times. So that's why this is also selected only. Here write it here Gagansa neatly. Are you understood Gagansa neatly? And this is the 90 degrees. So that's why this figure is also and this figure is also 120 degrees. So that's why this is also, but here it is not only. And then again is this is also or this one only. So that's why is again 120 degrees. Order is 2 only. So that's why this is also, and next one is this is also 120 degrees. And every time is the 120 degrees. 3 times, so that is also occur. So figures, what's the solution? Solution, figures, first figure, second figure and fourth figure and fifth figure, these are all are the rotational symmetry of order more than one, only not third one only. Okay na? Figures 1, first and second and fourth and fifth, all are rotational symmetry, rotational symmetry of order more than one, but your only third is not only. Are you understood again neatly? Next one is the second bit only. Give the order of rotational symmetry for each figure. Okay na? Give the order of rotational symmetry for each figure, you can give it only. So that's why you can use this figure only. For examples of the each figure, here it is all are the 7 or 8 figures are there. But the order of rotational only. You write it the order of rotational. First figure. This is the first figure only. What's the order? This figure is the order is the. This figure is the order is the. If it's rotated by this one only. First of all, this figure is rotated. This like of the figure. This figure only. Okay na? Is if you rotated by the 90 degrees and this like only. And again is the rotated by the 180 degrees. And the order is we will get the same position only. And in this figure in a full rotation there are two positions where the shape looks exactly the same only. So that's why is the order is the 2 only. This order is the 2. What's the order is the 2 only. Solutions, you can write down the solutions Gagan sai. Are you understood Gagan sai neatly? Order is 2 only. And again this figure and second figure, this figure is the 90 degrees and first one 90 degrees, again 90 degrees, and every time this figure is rotated by the 90 degrees only. 4 positions, there are the 4 positions where the shape looks exactly the same only. Okay na? And this figure is rotated by the every time 90 degrees through about its center for 4 times only. So that's why you can the order is the 4 only. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay na? Next is the third figure. Third figure is also equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means is the 3 only. 1, 2, 3. So order is the 3 only. Very simple you can identify only. Very easily and very you can simply you can write it only. Order is a very easily identify. Icon is the worst one is the this is also 120 degrees. If it's every time we can rotate it by the 120 degrees, we will get the same position. So the order is the 3 only. And next one is the fourth figure. Fourth figure is also through a 90 degrees only. So that's why you can is the 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's why the order is the 4 only. Okay, not every time is 90 degrees, throw a 90 degrees, we will get this like 90 degrees. So that's why you can all are that same only. And if it's a regular polygon, all sides are equal, and then here if it's rotated by that, what's one is the rotated by 90 degrees, and there are the 4 positions, we will get the same position. So that's why you can order is the 4 only. And these are in here every regular polygon. These are all are the regular polygons. So all are sides and lines of symmetries, and order of the symmetry is the same only. Okay, now if sides is how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 only. So that's why you can lines of symmetry same and order is also same. So that's why its order is the 4 only. Very you can identify. Here it is the sides 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides only. So that's why you can this polygon is the pentagon only. Pentagon, if it's a lines of symmetry, order of symmetry, and sides is also same in every regular polygon is always same only. So that's why it is the 5 sides. So that's why the order is also 5 only. And here it is also this is also regular polygon only. So that's why is the all are the sides are all are equal only. So that's why is the 3, 4, 5, 6 only. So that's why order is also very easily 6 only. Lines of symmetry is also 6. Sides is also 6. Are you understood? Yeah, that is a very very important. Good. See better this figure. This figure is also only are 2, 1, 2 and 3 only. So the order is also 3 only. If it's rotated by the 3 times, we will get this same position only. So that's why you can order is a very simplest method. You can write it only. That is the order is the 3 only. That is bits is also it's over. And then again is the next one is the third one only. Third bit only. What's the third bit? Yeah, draw the each of the shapes given below and fill the blanks. What's the shapes? And our first column and second column and third column only. Center of rotation and intersection of the diagonals. Intersection of axis of symmetry. Angle of rotation and order of rotation. Okay na? Second column, third column and fourth column. Order of rotation. Shapes, all of these all is the shapes are given only. And this is the center of rotation of intersection of diagonals only. Intersection of axis of symmetry. Next, angle of rotation, order of rotation. Each shapes you can find out it only. You can write it fill the table only. Yeah, see, write in your notebook again. Your solutions, you can write down the solutions. Okay na? Yeah, first one, first shape. What is the square shape? First square only. You can draw the first square. Alert the columns wise you can write down the answers one by one. This is the square. You can draw the squares and axis. First of all you can draw the axis only. Horizontal and vertical axis. And then again is the diagonal is also you can draw the diagonal of axis only. So that's why you can observing here it is got intersection of the diagonals. Center of rotation. This is the center of rotation. Intersection of the diagonals. Intersection of the axis of line symmetry. Is it correct, Gagan sir? Yeah, all of the line symmetry is the intersection of that only. So that's why you can is the this square shape is the yes correct only. Okay na? Are you okay, Gagan? Center of rotation. Center of rotation, this is that intersection of the diagonals only. This is diagonals are intersect with center only. Through center. So that's why I can is the this square is that yes only. Next is the angle of rotation. What's the angle of rotation? Square angle of rotation you already know. You are in our previous only. So that's why I can is already directly you can write down the 90 degrees only. Minimum angle is the 90 degrees. So that's why is the 90 degrees. Order of rotation. Order of rotation is the 4 times only. And if the square is every time is rotated by the 90 degrees, we will get that the about its center this like only 90 degrees. About its center we will get this the same for 4 times we will get that the same position only. So that's why you can order is the order of rotation is 4 only. Otherwise you can formula is also there. Angle of rotation equal to 360 degrees by order of rotation. Okay na? Your order of rotation means is the 360 degrees by 4. So that's why is the 4 1 ja 4 9 ja 36. So that's why the angle of rotation is also you can find out.